Imagine waking up every morning with skin that looks effortlessly radiant. No filters, no heavy makeup, just a natural, luminous glow. Sound like a dream, right? But what if I told you that Jhalak Beauty Cream claims to turn that cream into reality? Today, we are explore whether this cream is truly a game changer or just another overhyped product. We will break down its benefits, results, side effects, price, ingredient, and what real users have to say about it. So stick around because you need to hear this before making a purchase. What's the most unusual beauty product you have ever tried? Drop it in the comments below. I bet we will have some fun reading them. Jhalak Beauty Cream has making waves in the skincare world, promising brighter, more youthful skin. It's marked as an all-in-one solution for uneven tone, dark spots, and dullness. But does it actually deliver? Let's take a closer look. Jhalak Beauty Cream claims to brighten skin tone, reduce dark spots and pigmentation, hydrate and nourish deeply, improve overall texture and radiance. Sounds impressive, right? But we all know claims don't always equal results. Let's break it down further. Ingredients and insight. One of the biggest factor in any skincare product's effectiveness is what inside. Here's the key ingredient is Jhalak Beauty Cream. First, niacinamide, the powerhouse ingredient for brightening and reducing dark spots. Second, vitamin C, a well-known antioxidant that fight dullness and promote collagen. Number third, hyaluronic acid looks in moisture, keep skin plump and hydrated. Fourth, aloe vera extract soothe irritation and redness, make it ideal for sensitive skin. But wait, there's more. Some versions of this cream also contain steroids and bleaching ingredient, which can have serious long-term effects if used incorrectly. More on that in a moment. Before we discuss the potential risk, let's take a look at what actual users are saying about this product. Online reviews of Jhalak Beauty Cream are mixed bag. Some users rave about its instant brightening effect, claiming it works like magic. One reviewer said, "I noticed a glow in just 3 days. My skin feels softer and smoother," but not everyone is thrilled. Another used warned, "It worked at first, but after a few weeks my skin became dry and sensitive." This brings us to a very important decision: the side effects of using this cream long term. Truth about side effects and long term use. It's safe. Is it safe? Now let's get real. No skin care product is perfect. While Jhalak Beauty Cream has promising ingredients, there are potential downsides you should know. Some users report skin peeling or irritation, especially if they have sensitive skin. If it contains steroid for bleaching agent, long-term use can lead to dependency and skin thinning. Overuse may cause breakouts instead of clearing them. So should you use this cream? Here's my expert take. Price and availability. Is the worth the investment? Jhalak Beauty Cream is priced between $10 to $30 depending on the seller and packaging. You can find it on Amazon, online beauty store and some local shop. But here's the question: should you spend your money on it, or are there better alternatives? Let's warp this up. Here's the bottom line: if you want instant brightening and short-term results, Jhalak Beauty Cream might work. If you have sensitive skin or want a long-term solution, you might want to reconsider. My advice: always check the ingredient list and do a patch test before committing to any skincare product. And remember, no cream can replace a good skincare routine and hydration. So drink your water, people. If you are looking for a safe dermatologist recommended brightening cream, you have to check out our review on Pond's Miracle Cream. Click here to watch. It might just be the skincare game changer you have been searching for. Thank you for watching and being a part of the beauty cosmetic community. If you have enjoyed our content and found it helpful, please consider supporting us with a super thanks. Your support means the world to us and help our team continue creating the content you love. Every contribution make a difference because producing quality work requires dedication, efforts and resources. Thank you for your support and for helping us grow. We could not do this without you.